just got back from the gym. Today is bikini fitting day. So I got up, did my check-in. I will insert some pictures. We went down in weight, but we had gone up on Monday, which was, I went up after my food drop. Don't know, like, I don't really know much about this stuff, but some people say like you hold on to water and stuff, but then it started to go back down, so that's good. And I feel leaner than I did on Monday, even though the weight is like 0.2 of a kg different. So yeah, did my check-in, trained my mum at Nuffield, then I trained myself, I did push, and then I did 30 minutes on the cross trainer. First time trying the cross trainer, and I actually love it. And now I am making my eggs. So making it into an omelette, and then don't even come at me for the metal. Someone said I should use a wooden spoon, but I don't think that'll work with eggs. And then you literally just fuck it up. So yep, make it into like a scrambled egg. So it's just egg whites, 2 eggs, and tomatoes. They are the little, the plum tomatoes are so much nicer than the cherry. Again, I feel very passionately about which tomatoes you should use. But yeah, making my eggs. I'm not eating these now. I've had chicken and rice already, which was my pre-meal. Ate that at the gym after I trained my mum. And then I'm about to have my post-meal before I leave, which is Frosties, 80 grams of Frosties and 30 grams of whey, and then I mix a bit of water in. So I'll have that before I leave, and then I'm going to take the eggs with me. And I've also got potato and mince. Right, we're off. I've got potato meal, I've added in some lettuce to keep me a bit full. I've got my eggs in there, and then this is my post-workout. So I've got my stuff packed, and my appointment, my posing session is at 2. Thought it was 2:15, but it's 2. And then the bikini fitting is at 3:15. So yeah, I have the little gap in between afterwards. So yes, I'm gonna leave now. I need petrol, so I need to go and do that. But yeah, I have my figure bottoms underneath. Oh, if you can see them, there we go. And then I'll put the top on when I get there, because I don't want to wear the whole thing because it's joined. It's a bit, it moves around while you're driving. So yeah, I've only got the bottoms on. We made it. I don't know if I'm allowed to park where I'm parked, but someone has just come park next to me, so I think it's fine. Who knows? I'm just gonna eat the rest of my eggs, and then I'll be going in soon for my posing session. So yes, very exciting. I'm also very tired though, so I'm hoping that when I get in there I like perk up a bit. Fingers crossed. And also my back's hurting a bit from driving, so again, hopefully that just disappears when I go in there.
Just bring Sarah straps off Claire straps.
We're all done! I feel like it still hasn't sunk in yet. I'm just so buzzing. I'll insert a photo here from the bikini fitting, not actually my bikini because I'll obviously keep that a secret, but I took a photo in front of the wing, so I'll insert that here. But yeah, so excited. I went for the colour, like I kept on swaying towards the colour that I thought I was going to go for, but because there's different fabrics and they have like different tones, so like for example you can have a blue that has bits of green in the fabric colour, so I went for the colour that I thought, but it had some different tones, and then when you put the gems on it, that kind of changes the colour tone. So yeah, it's very exciting. Now I have a very long drive home, but I will be stopping halfway. But yeah, oh my god, those potholes are ridiculous. Sorry. There's literally, like, you know, speed bumps where it's obviously a bump that isn't the whole length of your car. Then the dips at the side of the speed bump are just massive holes. That's so bad. I'm not going that way. Little monster pit stop. I'm absolutely dead and I've still got 2 hours left. We will get home eventually. I made it back home. It's currently 10:30. I'm about to go to bed, but I just wanted to quickly show you what I got from Shein, because if I leave it till tomorrow, because I've got 2 cakes to do, which I will show you when they're done. Yeah, so you get to see what they look like. Yeah. Anyway, Shein parcel. I actually got quite a lot of stuff. There was like a 20% off when you spend £100, so it actually only cost me like £80. That's so much. Right. I'm just gonna like rattle through it, or I'm not gonna try it on because that would be annoying. So, oh, I love this colour. I wore a pink dress to a hen do and I got so many compliments on it that I've decided I need a few more pink things. So I got pink shorts. They have the scrunch bum on them, but I'm hoping that it's not too much because the tie-dye ones, I was feeling like it was a bit too much, so I've stopped wearing them. Then I got the matching sports bra, but like you can mix and match with other colours. And then the back is like this. There we go. So for back day, that's really good. We stan. I'm training legs on Saturday at Ripped Gym, which I mentioned. So I think I'm gonna wear one of my new items. I got this sports bra. So, oh my god, why am I so bad at this? It goes like this, so it twists at the front. I've seen photos of it on and it looks really nice, especially for the itty bitty city committee. Can't say it without it being a tongue twister. Yeah, when you haven't got much going on, they're meant to be quite complimentary, so we stan. Then I got electric blue, because again, I feel like with the dark hair, this colour looks good. However, I haven't been for a sunbed in like 2.5 weeks and you could definitely tell. So this is the same as the pink one. Again, I can mix and match this. All of my sets that I have currently, they've been worn quite a lot, and a lot of them I'm just wearing for like cardio now. Whereas I want some like fresh sets that I can wear for my sessions. Then I got some black shorts. I got all of this stuff in a small. Even though I'm going to lose weight, a small is going to be my most common size when I obviously put weight back on after prep. So I know that these will fit now because I was small. Well, I could fit in a small at my peak bulk, but it was just stretched. So then I got these leggings, which are similar to the bombshell ones. That's like what they've kind of copied, but instead of having the 2 different fabrics, they've got the same and then just the band around the legs. I think I'm going to wear one of these pairs that I've got on Saturday. These are like a green. I've got so much stuff, oh my god. Oh, I got a navy pair of leggings, just plain leggings. They have a scrunch bum, again, hopefully not OTT, because I feel like a scrunch bum is fine if you have, I'm not saying my bum is above average, but like if you have just, I feel like unless you have a smaller bottom, usually it can look a bit too scrunch if it is too much. I don't know if that makes sense, but like sometimes I will put on like the Shein shorts and it literally looks like I'm not wearing any shorts because it's just so in your crack. So yeah, hopefully these aren't like that, because yeah, sometimes you don't want that, you know, like sometimes I actually go seamless because I want it to look a bit more not as like, you know what I mean. Anyway, carry on. This is the white version of the black bra, so it like crosses over in the middle and then does up at the back. What else have we got? I think I've got a brown pair. I'm sure there was a brown pair in here. These are, sure they're slightly different. These are olive. I don't remember ordering olive, but maybe I did. Olive leggings. I'm not sure if you can tell. It's like a browny green. Yep, that's that. I'm sure I did get a brown. Is this the brown? I did. So again, same short set, because obviously we're coming into summer and I overheat when I train. So brown version, matching shorts. Again, I'll probably mix and match these. Oh my god. Oh, last pair. These are the ones that I'm probably going to wear on Saturday. I thought they were, oh no, they are right. So, oh my god, they have pockets. They have pockets. I love that. Right, so leopard at the top, and then they're like this at the bottom. So these are meant to be a copy of the bombshell ones, if you know you know, and yeah, sick, love that. Right, I'm going to bed because it is late. I hope you enjoyed that little haul. I'm going to try them all on tomorrow, fingers and toes crossed that they all fit. I am so tired, I can't wait to go to bed. My eyes are actually really red. Anyway, night. These are the two cakes that I've just finished. So this one is Marvel themed, blue to white ombre, and then it's got the Marvel topper on it. And then this is the other one. So this is princess themed, pink drip, purple to white ombre, and then the person that ordered it ordered the toppers herself. So they have little sticks on them, but I took these ones off the sticks so that I could stick them on the side, and then they're all on the top. And then there's little chocolate buttons on there, and the same on this one. And then that was the other topper that they ordered from Etsy. I don't know the sellers because I didn't buy them myself. So yeah, all done. I am absolutely dead. I'm just making one of these biscuit teas. I literally got this from Aldi today, and I've already had one already without milk because I'm only allowed one tea with milk. So I've already had one without, and it's actually not too bad. I do prefer tea with milk though. I'm off to Ripped Gym tomorrow with Dev, Rio and Buddy. So that should be fun. We're training legs. So I rested today and then I've got legs tomorrow. I'm off to bed now and I will see you tomorrow when we train. I'm actually quite excited. I've never been to this gym before, so fingers crossed it's good. Right. Cakes have gone, which we stan. It is 11:15. Why can't I open this door? What is going on here? Let's try again. That's not worrying. Turns out it was already unlocked. Mum, if you're watching this, I'm not quite sure how that happened. I think it was locked overnight, that's all that matters. I have my coffee, black coffee. I had my tea with milk this morning. I have it first thing in the morning because I always just find I fancy it. My parents are away, so I am feeding the fish. There we go. So, let me turn you around. Take the scooper. This looks appetising as hell. Not sure how much of this I'm meant to take. I'm assuming it's one. Doggo. Fish. Pond. Is that enough? I did feed them twice yesterday. Again, Mum, if you're watching this, I did do as you said. So they have been fed twice yesterday. Once sort of 6 PM. So we're going to give them that. And then when I get back later, because I'm off to Ripped Gym and I'll probably get back at like 5:30. Then I'll feed them again. So, right, busy schedule now. I need to make my eggs. I was going to sit out here and drink my coffee, but you know what? Knowing me, I'll kill about 2 hours doing that and then I won't get anything done. So we'll do that once we've had our food. So, egg whites, eggs, eat that now. Then I have prepped, oh, the cakes have gone, so I've got loads of fridge space. I've prepped, this is my pre-meal. That's my evening meal. And then there's like chicken and mince and stuff at the back. Oh God. I had some kale last night, microwaved it. Dev knows how to make that. Go to her channel if you're trying to figure it out. I'm gonna have this with my eggs. And I also need these tomatoes to go in the eggs. So, eggs, egg whites, and then 2 eggs. And because it's a training day, we get 250 ml of egg whites opposed to 200 on a rest day. So yeah, gonna make this and then I will come back to you when I'm eating my pre-meal because I've got lots of stuff to do. Need to have a shower, wash my hair because this is cardio hair from the week, which is grim, but I'm doing cardio most days now, so hair washing is not a priority. Anyway, I'll see you once I've actually eaten. We're off to Hemel we go. God, I look funny with it all tucked behind my ears. Yeah, off to Hemel and then from Hemel to Basildon. We have arrived! Not at Ripped. We've arrived in Hemel. Dev. Hey. I look a steak. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. And then Rio's gone somewhere. I don't know where he's gone. God, he's not being a twat. Yeah, he's being a fucking fuckboy. Are you gonna zoom? Are you gonna zoom? Oh, is my burp too louder? Rio? Say hello? Oh, Hoyt and actors coming on. Hey. Bitches, say hi! Rio! Say hello! Oh God, why is it so boring? The whole gang is here. Leg day, we've just listened to some very hyped up music to get us going.